Let me ask you something. If you disappear today, who will actually check on you? We live in a time where people are always online, but emotionally, a lot of people are alone. You have followers, but not real friends. People react to your posts, but don't really know your pain. And the truth is, most people are not as important in other people's life as they think. That's why you need to build real connections, not just digital attention. Because when life gets real, likes don't show up, but people do. Who is really there for you?